Selos?
We lost contact. Alam mo, nasasaktan na ako talaga.
Pampanga was always.
Ano, ikaw pa rin yung
kasi
bimbi ko.
technique. Ayan mga Dabbercads, this is the mukbang portion of
Yes.
the challenge. Kasi,
Favorite part.
nanalo na ako.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bim.
I won!
Pero pwede makipag-share.
Yes, of course.
Okay.
Siyempre naman. Okay.
Okay, kain po
What
tayo,
was your
guys.
favorite sa meal?
Nuggets.
Ako yung
Saka yung
ako yung burger.
grapes. Uy, kain na tayo.
Ladies first.
Kain po. Dabbercads.
Alright. Ganito pala magbukbang.
Di ba?
Feel ko si ano eh. Si Mami. Cheers. Hello, Team Rice.
Hello po, Team Riza.
Team Rice, kain na po tayo. I love you, Mami. Sorry. May iba tayo ngayon, mga Dabbercads. How are you? Okay naman.
Masaya pala. Masaya.
Bakit? Why are you happy now?
Syempre, you're here, baby. Masaya ako. And yun,
What's keeping you busy?
bulaga,
And?
life, work, food.
Life, work, food. Okay,
ikaw.
what else ba?
Ikaw
Besides Bulaga? Di ba nag-ano ka? All over the country to, mga Dabbercads eh.
Ba?
All over the country.
Ako?
Yeah, you're giving charity. Oo.
Updated.
Oh, updated. Explain mo, Raisa, kung anong ginagawa mo for that.
Gano'n kayo, kung lumilibot kami kung saan sa probinsya,
Oo.
tapos nag-give back kami, mga rice, eggs.
Rice, what made Team Raisa do that?
Wow! Siyempre,
Bimbi Talks.
Sir Bimbi. Siyempre, ang dami-daming mga dapat kasi dapat tulungan talaga.
Dapat lang.
Yes, and hanggat kaya natin tumulong kahit sa small ways, kaya rin natin, Bim.
Because the small ways are the most important.
Tama.
Yo.
So, eto na nga, nagchichikahan na tayo.
Yeah.
Mag-ano muna tayo, catch up kasi nga 13 years tayong, we know we lost contact, sabi mo nga.
Not say lost contact. We were still in contact.
Pero hindi
na...
masyado, yes. Kamusta ka naman ng mga childhood mo? Yan, growing
Raisa Talks pala to, no?
up. Bimbi X Rice Talks.
Okay. Wow. Bimbi X Raisa.
Yes.
Wow.
Wow.
I like
okay.
that. It was busy with school. I moved to the States, di ba? So, 2 years kami sa States and it's a very good time. Ako nga, Raisa, I think magiging ibang tao ko if I didn't go to the States.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Ano ba
No,
kayo
I'm not
na?
Dabbercads. This is a story. So, when I was mga 4, 5 years old, selos?
Sige,
When I was
kwento
mga
mo.
4 and 5 years old, I had a classmate na super crush ko. And feeling ko, crush naman, she had a crush on me also.
Ganun. Sige, salamat.
Teka muna.
Bimbi Talks ka na lang.
Relax.
Ah,
Chill,
okay, okay,
chill,
okay.
chill.